Hey there everybody. I thought I'd provide a sneak preview of the work I'm doing for Boise Pete's call for papers for upcoming CoCo Fest, and also what I hope I'll have a simple demo of at CoCo Fest. So what I have here is a BBC MicroBit. So you can see there it has it's a little educational circuit board with a number of different features on it. It's fairly inexpensive, about 20 bucks or so. Has a 5x5 matrix of LEDs, some little push buttons, A and B, and on the back you can see some of the other aspects of it. It has a little ARM processor on it. It has a magnetic compass, a 3-axis magnetic compass, a 3-axis accelerometer, so it can handle pitch, yaw, and roll and figure out how you're manipulating it in space. And has built-in some Bluetooth features, built-in USB for hooking it up to a PC and programming it, built-in flash so you can update a program on it and then run it from a battery or something like that. So anyway, so I thought this was kind of neat because it has lots of interesting features that could potentially augment the CoCo. So what I have here is, well, another microbit. I happen to be powering it from my PC, my laptop right now via USB, and I have it connected up to an experimenter's board, and then I have this experimenter's board hooked up to a little serial dongle that does the voltage shifting from the levels that the microbit uses to the RS-232 levels that the CoCo uses, and I have this connected to the serial port on the back. And so what I've programmed the microbit with is a simple program that collects the accelerometer data and streams it over the serial port. You can see the transmit light is lit there at 9600 baud, and the CoCo can pick it up and then do stuff with it. So here's a simple program that takes some of that data and lets me move a cursor around on the screen. So by tilting it the right way, I can make the cursor move around in approximation of a circle. Or I can get it to recognize push buttons. Change my cursor color in this simple demo, and I can make it beep. So anyway, so you know, this is just an initial demonstration of something simple that could be done with some of the features on the microbit. It might have applications as a game controller, or it has a temperature sensor on it. You could use it for detecting ambient temperature, for data acquisition kinds of things, or the LEDs can actually be used as light sensors, believe it or not. And then I have another example where data is going the other direction. So let's load that up. And I will update my microbit with a new program for my PC. Okay, this is a much simpler program. There we go. And so one thing that the microbit can do using the MicroPython language is it has access to a speech synthesis library. So I can actually do speech synthesis to about the same quality, or maybe a little better than the old speech sound pack could do on the CoCo itself. So I can send messages over to it. So I don't know if you can see the receive LED. So all I have here is a speaker, old speaker, connected up to the DAC outputs on the microbit. So anyway, just another example of things you can do with it. There's many other fun things that could be done with this. But anyway, like I said, it's just a sneak preview, and I hope you've enjoyed the video.